This is Medicube Zero Foam Cleanser, and I've been using this for a while, and I'm really impressed with it. Medicube, if you're not familiar with Medicube, it's a Korean skincare line. And what I like about this is that it's a deep pore cleanser. I have a combination oily skin, so my T-zone gets very oily. I get buildup around my nose and area and in the grooves here, and this has been really wonderful for me. I love the fragrance. It's like a light citrusy lemongrass smell, and I love it. A little bit goes a long way, so that's really nice. So another thing is that even though it says zero foam, it doesn't have a lot of suds, it has a lot of coverage, and I'll show you what that means. So it says that it's anti-pollution cleanser, deep cleansing of pores. It has Melissa officinalis extract, Camellia japonica flower extract. But let me just show you how I use it. So what I do is go ahead and wet my face first. Okay, so my face is wet, and I just take a little dot, like that much, and wipe it around my face. That's it. And when I say that it has a lot of coverage, that's what I mean. A lot of times when you have like zero foam or no suds type cleansers, you can hardly see it, and there's like no coverage. You're like really wondering, is it really doing anything? Is it really on my skin? That was just a little dot, and although it's not foam, it's not like real suds, you can see all the coverage. It smells really nice. I love the smell, and I feel that it really does a good job of cleaning my skin really well. So, and then from here I just get my disposable face cloth, because I don't like to use regular washcloths. I feel like it's more sanitary. Here's my disposable face cloth. I'm gonna wet it and work it in. Here it is. Just gonna go and continue to wet it and work it all in. And really get in my pores, concentrate on my T-zone. And there you go. So I just kind of washed it off, and my face is clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face off. Use another disposable face cloth just to wipe it up, dry it off. The nice thing about this is that it doesn't leave my face tight. Like I feel like some cleansers are very dry and stripping. They they just take everything out of your skin, and just nice clean skin, doesn't feel tight. My T-zone feels nice and dry. I don't feel like there's any bumps, or it feels like it really got my pores really clean. I really like this cleanser. So I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I'm really pleased with it. So if you're looking for a really good cleanser, definitely check this one out.